Selam tuponenine hello, welcome back to another new video. So in this video we will talk about PuttyMop. We have this cracked version available at a cheap price and everything is working in it. You can see this, we have the cracked version available. The filter is here and from here we can create PK. So we will not make a detailed deep video on this. We are simply providing you with knowledge-based videos, so you can see here everything like the builder, etc. is active here. Okay, its setting is done. We have this available in the cracked version. Injection, you can add injections and so on from here. If you want to buy this, you can contact our team and our official account. Everything is activated in it, no login. You can see everything is working. Okay, that's all for today's video. If you like this video, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you also want to buy, you can contact our team. Thanks for watching.